Day 4, part 3, literally had my first PT session. I think more right now it's just mental, realizing your limitations and trying to stay positive. So that's what I'm trying to do, stay positive, but it's a struggle, man. Yesterday I did overdo it. You can overdo it. A PT instructor, now I got a nurse coming tomorrow because I overdid it and my leg swelled up real bad. She said she don't think it set me back, but that for guys like us, that she deals with military guys a lot, it's hard to get us to slow down. But I've got a hip and a knee replacement, severely and significantly restricting everything I used to do, which is kind of rough. So I was going to show you all the things that I use. I have a thing that helps, a grabber. It helps. I use my cane. I got some really thick padded shoes. It's very good. She's worried I was going to trip on them, but man, do they feel good when you walk after surgery. My game controller, not a thing I'm really into. I'm more of an outdoors person, but I've found that I really enjoy Tiger Woods golf and Sniper Elite 5 or something. Anyway, it gives me something to do to keep my mind off the pain. So yeah, play some games, read a book, have a grabber to reach things you can't normally bend over and pick up, have a cane for support so you don't fall over. Try to keep a positive attitude. It's hard, especially like right now. I came outside and all of a sudden there's never anybody here, a ton of people outside, and that bothered me. That wouldn't normally bother me, but one of the things, just personal. So if you want to stop there, that's cool, get those things. But being 56 and realizing your body's falling apart when you used to operate at a high level. Let me pause for a minute, because of course not the loudest truck in the neighborhood's got to drive by when you're doing this. But yeah, just my attitudes, just trying to stay positive and happy, and realizing you're 56 and your job calls you and you're gonna come back, and I don't even know. You know, first time you've been at a crossroads, you're like, I don't even know. I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna try my best. But now my knee is giving out too. So if you have a knee replacement on the same side you have a hip replacement, be aware of that, because my knee's killing me right now. But I didn't really tell her that, but it's hurting pretty bad. A little pain from my knee to my foot. So I guess the wobbling and the favoring has kind of got my right knee a little sore. Not a big deal, not whining about it, just things to be aware of. And yeah, so anyway, this is the end of day 4. I didn't walk as far as I thought I would today. I thought I'd do a mile, but realizing now that I had to go back in and take anti-inflammatories. I sat on literally the ice for 3 hours. My leg was twice as big as my right leg because I overdid it. And the girl told me, so this is the advice: walk, go walk into your dining room, come back. She said do that for 5 minutes every hour. Don't do anything more until I get stronger. And they told me it takes about 9 months for it to really settle in where you're strong enough to really push yourself. Now, pain tolerance is one thing. Like, I could walk probably all over if I wanted to, but man, you're gonna pay for it. And it takes about 9 months for everything to settle in. So I'm just gonna follow my limitations and just see what happens. So anyway, if you get it, consider hip replacement. I think it's a great idea. I think if you need it, you need it. And I knew I needed it. There was no doubt. And I fought it for over 2 years. So, yeah, consider it. Interview doctors. I interviewed several doctors, and I found the VA to be the best. And I am grateful. The VA was very good. So the Cincinnati VA, if you're in the Cincinnati area and you have to go there, have no fear. I mean, it was really a good ordeal. They sent PT to my house. They got a nurse coming to my house and all that. Now how I'm gonna make a living, that's where I need the prayers. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. So because I need my other hip is replaced. I've already had my knee replaced. That's 14 years old, so I don't know how much longer that's gonna last. So anyway, hope everybody's good. Stay strong. That's one thing I'm gonna say: stay strong. Keep a good mental attitude. Again, it's a battle for me this week. I don't know why, but I mean, obviously the surgery is one thing, but that's been the battle. My friends have been key. My wife, my children have been very key keep me motivated. And I'm not usually a guy, I'm usually a motivator. Matter of fact, got an award for it from the military for writing my own cadences and stuff, and leading cadence. So yeah, anyway, little foggy brain still. I don't know, as she said, one of the pills I'm on is 3 times what it usually is for other people, so I didn't know that. But I'm not taking any codone or hydrocodone, or I think anti-inflammatory, maybe a nerve killer, a nerve pill, I think it is, aspirin, and a muscle relaxer, which I'll take to sleep tonight. So, all right, drink a lot of water. Snack foods, still key. And the shower head, don't forget that. Get the one that's handheld. And anyway, I'll do another one tomorrow when I'm kind of like not thinking so much. And that'll be day 5. So everybody have a great day. I hope this helps somebody. If you have any questions, put them in there, because I can't always think of specifics right now. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to be fair and answer them as best as I know. I'm not a doctor, can't provide medical advice, but I can share my experience. So, all right, I'll talk to y'all later.